Hello and welcome back to the Math League Media YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over Sprint problem 24 from our 12506 release. Problem number 24 reads, let S be the sum of all positive integers less than 343 base 10, whose base 7 representations only contain positive digits. Compute the remainder when S is divided by 343. Now first of all, notice that S is going to be the sum of, first of all, the single digit numbers from 1 to 6 in base 7. So that'll be 6 numbers, plus a certain number of 2-digit numbers, which again only contain positive digits in their base 7 representations. So there's 6 options for this digit, 6 options for that digit. So there's 36 2-digit base 7, 36 numbers with 2-digit base 7 representations. And for the 3-digit base 7 numbers, well, again, we have 6 choices for first digit, 6 choices for the middle digit, and 6 choices for the last digit. 4 6 cubed are 216 numbers with a 3-digit representation in base 7. And notice that for each of these cases of numbers, the digits from 1 to 6 inclusive are going to appear the same number of times in all of these numbers. So we can write the sum of all these integers as, first of all 3 of these cases will have a units digit, and thus we can write part of the sum as 1 plus 6 plus 36 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Then 2 of these cases, this case and this case, will have a digit in what would be the tens place in base 10, but would be, I guess, the sevens place in base 7, and thus we can write, again, part of the sum as 6 plus 36 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 times 7, since each of these digits would be multiplied by 7. And then finally, only this case has a third leftmost digit, so we can write part of the sum as plus 36 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 times 7 squared. Now, we know that the sum of the integers from 1 to 6 inclusive is 21, so we can write that in 21, 21, and 21. And notice that 6 plus 36 is 42, and 1 plus 6 plus 36 is 43. Now remember, we're not just looking for this sum, we're looking for the remainder when this sum is divided by 343. And remember that 343 is 7 cubed. Then, with this term in our addition, we have a factor of 7 here, a factor of 7 in 21, and a factor of 7 in 42. So this term will be divisible by 7 cubed, or 343. So this will not contribute to the remainder. It'll leave a remainder of 0. So we can ignore this term in our search for the remainder. And similarly, in this term, we have 7 squared here, and a third factor of 7 in 21. So we can also ignore this term, because this term will also leave a remainder of 0 when divided by 343. So all we're really looking for is the remainder when 43 times 21 is divided by 7 cubed. Finding 21 times 43, we find that 21 times 43 comes out to 903. And dividing by 343, we find that 343 goes in twice, with a remainder of 217, which is our answer. Thank you.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.